Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and I want to show you some of my favorite features on the Bernette Funlock b42 cover stitch only machine. So a couple things. We're going to get into every aspect of this machine, plus all the stitches, and even some of the ways to troubleshoot as you go over difficult fabrics and thicker seams. So we're going to cover lots of short videos on this machine, but there are links below every video for things like other resources. So I have some online courses. Craftsy has some amazing cover stitch class topics that you can really help expand your options with. So I recommend that you take a look through the resources below so you can learn more about this machine. So whether you're watching these videos as I wonder if I want that particular model, or you already bought it and you know you're not using it to its fullest, I hope that we can cover all your questions. Make sure you click on our subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if some of the information is helpful for you. So here we want to talk about some of the highlights that this particular model has. So we've just opened it up and it is so easy to thread. That's probably the one thing that I just can't wait to get started, because everything is color coded. And because on a cover stitch only machine, there's 3 needles. It's like threading 3 sewing machines. So 1, 2, 3, and the simple looper that is our cover stitch looper down below that's it. That's when we open it, there's only one little part you thread. And again, you follow along with the color coding and it is super easy. I'm going to be showing you some great ways to start and stop a cover stitch seam, and if it's not perfect, how easy it is to actually take out, because you can pull those last stitches from the last stitch to the first stitch and out it comes, just as easy as putting it in. You're probably noticing how much light is on here. So the LED lights are lighting up the work surface. And the biggest thing to look at for a cover stitch machine is actually how much space is in this sewing area, because that's where your hems are going to go. So on this machine, it's about 3.5 inches of space, and that's excellent. That's going to pretty much cover just about anything that you're working on. You've got a manual needle threader, so if you do have all 3 needles in, you'll be able to thread them very quickly. I'll show you how to use that. Plus the 4 stitches that this machine can do. A cover stitch with all 3 needles, a cover stitch with 2 needles, either in the narrow option or the wider option, and of course last is the chain stitch, which is with 1 needle. And a chain stitch is like a sewing machine, so you could actually do some quick stitching, and again, if you have to take it out, it's super easy to remove. This little guy actually sews 1,300 stitches per minute, and it doesn't matter for quality if you're going slow or fast. So if you love to put your pedal to the metal, go for it. You're going to get that same quality stitch at every speed. And another great feature, all the accessories that I'll be using, just things that I need right at my fingertips, are all going to be stored in this front cover. So I always do better when accessories have their place. They often get put back and I'm not searching for them or losing them. So all my great, easily accessible items, I see screwdrivers, my needle threader, extra needles, and a pair of tweezers is in there. So super easy to always get to. I was also noticing that all the adjustment knobs are on the outside of this cover stitch machine. So that makes it really easy to kind of tweak or adjust as you go from different fabrics without having to stop and open the doors. Just go ahead, reach over to this side. You can adjust stitch length. You can adjust foot pressure. So if you're working on something really light and delicate, stretchy fabric, you're not going to get that wave to it. And you can also assist with the waving with the differential feed that is over here. So I can't wait to show you all those adjustments and even some troubleshooting issues as you get started. What do people run into the most, and how easy it is to actually overcome those problems. If you're thinking this is the right machine for you, we have links below every YouTube video where you can buy it online and have it shipped right to your door, and you'll be cover stitching in just a couple days. So check out all the resources below for whether you are buying needles or thread or this machine, we've got you covered. There are about 7 feet plus an extra one, an elasticator, that you can use with the Coverstitch options. Again, links are below where you can check out foot sets. You can actually do binding on the Coverstitch machine. You can actually do hemming where it turns that fabric for you. So if you're kind of tired of doing all that work, let the feet and accessory feet available for this machine turn a harder job into a easier job. So take a look. You can buy them individually, but I would recommend the foot set. And again, we've put links below for you to check those out. So if you're ready, I'm ready. I can't wait to get my hands on. Threading is so easy, and that's where we're gonna start. So check out sewingmastery.com where we have videos on tons of machines, sergers, embroidery machines, and over 20 of them on this amazing Bernette Funlock B42 Coverstitch machine.